Good morning. I am Dr. A. Kalaiselvi. Today I present the topic machine translation. Machine translation is the automatic translation of text from one natural language to another language. That is the source language to target language. It is one of the first application areas envisioned for computers, but it is only in the past decade that the technology has seen widespread usage. Types of translation. There have been three main applications of main translations. That is rough translation, pre-edited translation, restricted source translation. That is, the first one is provided by free online services. It gives the gist of a foreign sentence or document but contains errors. Pre-edited translation is used by the companies to publish their documentation and sales materials in multiple languages. The original source text is written in a constrained language that is easier to translate automatically, and the results are usually edited by a human to correct any error. The next one is restricted source translation. That is, it works fully automatically, but only on highly stereotypical language such as weather report. The machine translation system. Some system attempts to analyze the source language text all the way into internal knowledge representation and then generate sentences in the target language from that representation. That is difficult because it involves three unsolved problems. That is, creating a complete knowledge representation of everything, passing into that representation, and finally generating sentences from that representation. Then translation procedures. How to translate this? First one is find a parallel text. Then next segment into sentence. Then align sentences. Then extract distortions. Improve estimates. These are all the steps. Then first one is find parallel text. That is, gather a parallel bilingual corpus. The next segment into sentence. The unit of translation is a sentence. So we will have to break the corpus into a sentence. That is, break into subsystems. Then align sentence. For each sentence in English version, determine what sentence it corresponds to in French version. It is possible the order of two sentences needs to be swapped, so align them. The next, extract distortions. Once we have an alignment of phrases, we can define distortion probabilities. If it has high probability, then do this. Then improve estimates with EM. Then compute the best alignments with the current values of these parameters in the E step. Then update the estimates in the M step. And then iterate the process until convergence. Then if first E step, then M step, then continue until it coverage. Then do this. Thank you.